Hello everybody. Ikaw ba ay mayroong mga hazardous waste na nage-generate sa ating mga facility? Kung meron tayong mga hazardous waste, sa kasalukuyan meron pong policy ang DENR na tayo po dapat ay magko-comply. Ang policy po na ito nakasulat po sa Chapter 3.3 ng DENR Administrative Order 2013-22. Ang tatlong bagay na meron dito sa policy na ito. Una, regardless of the volume of our waste generation, we must register. And currently, it is done online. We just visit hwms.emb.gov.ph, and we have the online hazardous waste management system. And during registration, after satisfying all the requirements, after careful screening by the concerned EMB regional office, having jurisdiction over the location of the waste generator, we will be provided with an order of payment, and therefore we shall pay the registration fee amounting to 1,040 pesos. At pwede mong bayaran yan sa land bank. Pwede kayong magbayad din sa cashier ng concerned EMB Regional Office. At may mas madali pang way doon sa Land Bank Linkbis Portal. And once na makapag-submit ng proof of payment or proof of registration, ay mai-issuean tayo ng DNR ID number. Ang sabi ng iba, Hazardous Waste Generators ID. Yan. Pare-pares lang po yun. A DNR ID number shall be issued by the EMB Regional Office upon registration of the waste generator. You can scan the QR code on the screen para makita mo yung mga data na dapat mong malaman. So, as a pollution control officer of the company, or you are the responsible person regarding the environmental compliance, legal and statutory requirements, isa ito sa kailangan nating bigyan ng pansin, the registration as a hazardous waste generator. And what it's in it for us while we need to register. Of course, this hazardous waste shall be disposed. Uh, this shall be disposed off-site. Hindi tayo kadalasan nagdi-dispose on-site. And we avail the services of a DNR accredited hazardous waste transporter, DNR accredited treatment facility with approved disposal facility for the proper treatment, proper disposal of our hazardous waste. And kung wala tayong registration, we don't have the DNR ID number, hindi natin siya mapapatransport, maitatapon legally, because the legal requirements during the transport of the hazardous waste is the waste generator's DNR ID number. So therefore, failure to register as waste generator, failure to secure DNR ID number will cause delay in the proper transport, treatment, and disposal of our hazardous waste. Pagka nagre-register tayo, we are providing um, hazardous waste profile. And lalagay natin yung waste number, at yan ay malalaman nyo in reference to table 2.1 dyan sa same na Department Order 2013-22. The nature, kung yan ay solid, liquid, gaseous, sludge, at yung catalog if it is toxic, corrosive, reactive, ignitable. And yung particular description ng hazardous waste at kung papaano natin minamanage yung pong ating hazardous waste. As an example, gaya ng halimbawa yung ating used engine oil. And based on table 2.1, meron tayong I-101 na waste number for used engine oil. At yung nature nitong oil na to ay liquid, and this hazardous waste can be tagged as toxic. At in the registration, especially in step 4, we are to provide the current waste management practice. And it looks like this: proper segregation of waste materials at the source, ensuring that hazardous substances are separated from regular waste streams. These materials are stored in labeled containers that are compatible with the waste chemical properties or size to prevent reactions or spills. The waste is to be transported to licensed disposal facilities that specialize in the safe treatment or disposal of hazardous materials. Regular monitoring and employee training are essential to maintain safety standards and prevent accidents during all stages of handling hazardous waste. So yan po yung common na mga statement. At saka sa step 4 doon sa online hazardous waste management system inilalagay. So I hope you have learned something about the registration as a hazardous waste management system. One is the legal basis that in DAO 2013-22, we are mandated to register as waste generator online through hazardous waste management system. And two, you shall pay the corresponding registration fee amounting to 1,040 pesos. Payable ito sa EMB. Pwede tayo magbayad siyempre sa iba't ibang outlets like sa Land Bank, physical branch ng Land Bank, or sa Land Bank Linkbis portal online. Type nyo lang yan sa favorite internet browser, Land Bank Linkbis portal. And siyempre doon mismo sa concerned EMB regional office cashier. At ang pangatlo, you will be granted with a DNR ID number. At yung number na yan is very unique that can be used for future transaction with EMB Regional Office for the transport, treatment, and disposal of hazardous waste. Maraming salamat, and if you want to know more about environmental compliance, permitting, and reporting, please subscribe to this channel. Please share this video. Please like and follow. Maraming salamat, at tayo po lahat ay mga mabuting katiwala ng kapaligiran. Sana po ay magampanan natin ang ating mga trabaho ayon sa ating makakaya sa pagbibigay kaluguran sa mas nakakataas sa atin. Maraming salamat at mabuhay tayong lahat.